Hello YouTube friends. Last week I posted an unprecedented post on my website. I set out details of what has been happening to me and is ongoing. I also launched a necessary fighting fund. There's a link to the full post in the description below. If you feel able to help, it would be much appreciated. I have to turn off YouTube comments as I'm keen to avoid any issues with a live legal case. My aim is to go through to full trial so the truth can be fully and finally told. Thank you for your support in all of this. It means the world to me. Take lots of good care of yourself, Sonia.